Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the reading for Libra Sun Moon Rising Venus for the month of August 2020 related to their love matters. So I have shuffled the cards and laid them out. On my left I have the cards of Libra, and on my right I have the cards of your person you are dealing currently. Okay, so I will just start with your reading and we'll do the clarification side by side wherever needed. Remember, this is general reading, so it will not resonate with everyone, but take whatever resonates, and cross watchers can also view. But remember, energy can be vice versa, so take anything which resonates with you or your partner. Okay, so let's start with your reading, Libras, for the month of August 2020 in their love life. So what I'm seeing here, Libras, that someone recently has declared their feelings for you, and they have made a move towards you. Okay, because at the bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Hearts. Okay, so this is telling me that in this month, someone who you have been dealing with for some reasonable time in the past, and maybe with whom you are dating, okay, this person has declared his or her feelings towards you. And what I'm seeing here is that you have been thinking about this offer and proposal over some time. Okay, you are thinking about this person and all those circumstances, situations, and you are imagining about the things in future you'll do together, or your plans for future, and you are just having some dreams also about this person and your future together. Okay, and somewhere you feel that this person can give you a successful love life which you are desiring. Okay, so you too are thinking about this person and this proposal, and you have some positive vibes as this can go to the far end, right? Presently what I'm feeling here is that although you are positive towards this person and you want to respond positively towards this person's proposal and feelings, and you also have started having those tender love and care feelings for this person, but at present you have some difficulties in your mind and your personal life, maybe related to family or some other issues which are hindering your movement towards this proposal. Okay, so maybe there are some hindrances in this relationship, or if it's gonna be a relationship, so you are thinking about those obstacles and hindrances. Okay, maybe you are thinking that your family won't approve for this person. Okay, maybe because of some issues, it can be some religion, some caste. Okay, anything which your family will not approve. Okay, or it may be something else also for some other people. Okay, but there are some obstacles in this relationship which you are focusing on. But here the card is telling me that don't worry so much about those obstacles. Have faith on your family members and family. You can always talk to them and have a conversation, and because they are your family, so they will try to understand your situation, and you can make them understand. Okay, what I am seeing in the near and immediate future, Libra, is that for some reason you are disappointed with whatever is happening in your love life. Okay, maybe with this person, so I see a sort of disappointment in the near future, we will see why there is suddenly a disappointment in near future, because here we have the 7 of hearts here, and 3 of hearts and the 10 of hearts. Okay, but suddenly in the near future I see you are disappointed. We will see later on why it is. Okay, and I also see that someone from your past who you have ignored in the past, okay, will try to come back into your life with a proposal of reconciliation. Okay, so this person had previously approached you and wanted to have a relationship with you, but you just ignored this person. Maybe you were not interested in this person was not what you desired. Okay, so whatever would be the reason, but this person now comes back into your life, and because of this disappointment you are thinking that you should better go with this person who is coming back into your life from your past, whom you never tried even to understand. Okay, so, and I am feeling here is that you are suddenly off over this person who declared his or her feelings to you recently because of some reason which we will see ahead, and that's why you want to move on with this person from your past. And you and both of you, I'm seeing here is that you are trying, and you are making promises and taking pledge to be together in all circumstances. Okay, so because you're feeling like this person is still waiting on you. Okay, and now you are realizing this person's worth and you want to make it through with this person. Okay, so let's see how is this person feeling who has declared their feelings to you recently. Okay, so this is the cards of this person, and what I'm feeling here is that this person who has just declared his or her feelings to you and gave you a proposal, actually I don't see here any feelings of love, but this person wanted you. Okay, so maybe for some reason which is not clear, but they wanted you. Okay, it's just like a child wants a play. Okay, so they wanted you, and when they declared their feelings and you started responding to them, so they felt like their efforts were rewarded. Okay, so they are feeling like their hard work and efforts in having you is rewarded. Okay, and when they started feeling like you are moving towards them and they are successful in chasing you, and now you're focusing on them, I see that this person is not someone who really loves you or care for you. It's just a chase game, and they were chasing you to see for how long you will not respond. Okay, and when you started responding, this person's perception about you, importance about you just suddenly changed. Okay, and I see that the card of death here, so the end of one cycle and the beginning of another. And at present I'm seeing that this person has some infidelity issues. Okay, so that's why what I'm saying is that this person is not serious about some relationships or love or any other feelings. Okay, so they just like challenges maybe. So you were not responding to them, so so it was hard for them to get you, and they were trying hard. And when you started responding to them, their all chase game just was, their satiety got ended. Okay, and I see that at present some infidelity issues, and that's why you were suddenly disappointed, which we saw in the near future. Okay, so this is the reason why were you disappointed, because you clearly understood that what this person is and what you were thinking about this person. You were even started thinking, you were thinking about this person and their future and the about those obstacles and how to deal with family issues. You were so seriously thinking about this person because you thought this person is serious about the proposal he proposed to you, but this is not the case. Okay, so now when you realize that this person has infidelity issues and he is not what he showed, so you were disappointed, and suddenly the entry of the person from your past gave you the shoulder, and you have started seeing him, the person you really desired. Okay, so this is what I see in your reading, Libras, for the month of August 2020. That I hope I have made things clear. Let's get some guidance from the universe and divine over the situation, Libras. Okay. So the messages from divine and universe for the month of August 2020 for Libras in their love matters and personal life. Okay. So we have so many cards came out. Okay. So let's start. The Jack of Spades, which is telling me that you thought this relationship had some potential, okay, and you were showing the courage. You were trying to face the difficulties because you thought that this person is making so much efforts. What is the next card? The card of Sun. So soon you will get and you got the clarity even. Okay, so the clarity, you got the clarity over the situation, over this person. Okay, and this will start the new beginning, and which is maybe the person who has come back into your life from your past. Okay, which is the next card. Okay, the Five of Hearts. So that's the same card showing me the reconciliation from your past. The Ten of Clubs, which is showing me that currently you're feeling a bit of burdened and worried. Okay, but don't be. Whatever has happened is for your good, and you are moving correctly on the path of divine. Okay, and the Six of Diamond is the next card, which is telling me that the things will work with cooperation. Okay, so you have to cooperate with others to make things happen. Okay, so this is the good and almost good reading for you, Libras, for the month of August 2020, and I hope you enjoy your reading. We will see in the next video for the next month. Till then, take care. God bless you. Thanks for watching my videos. Love you. Bye bye.